The OnePlus 12R Review. Design and Display. The OnePlus 12R features a sleek design with a 6.7-inch OLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals during scrolling and gaming. Performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the OnePlus 12R delivers outstanding performance, handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. This chipset ensures that the device remains responsive, providing a seamless user experience. Camera. The OnePlus 12R boasts a versatile camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro sensor. This configuration allows for a range of photography options, from wide-angle shots to detailed close-ups. Battery life. The device is powered by a 5500 mAh battery, providing ample power for a full day of intensive use. With 100 watts wired charging, the OnePlus 12R can recharge rapidly, minimizing downtime. Overall, the OnePlus 12R stands out as a compelling choice for users seeking flagship-level performance at a more affordable price point. Its combination of a high-quality display, powerful processor, versatile camera system, and fast charging capabilities make it a well-rounded device suitable for a wide range of users. Thank you so much.